Guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. In today's video, we're just going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Poposoap RGB 660 gallon per hour fountain kit. So we'll just jump straight in and show you what comes in the box. So as you can see here, we've got the kit all laid out in front of us. Taking a look first, we've got our user manual. Now these are great, comes with lots of pictures and great ways to set up your pump, but we'll get that all sorted in this video today so you can see exactly how we set this up. So the first bit of kit that we've got here is our 40 watt 660 gallon per hour pump. Now this is going to be what is supplying our fountain, and this will attach directly underneath the fountain, which I'll show you here. As you can see, this is adjustable from the front, and we do have our cable connection for our LED strip that is inside of it there. We've also got a nice long 27-foot cable here, and this is the USA plug version. There will be a UK plug version out soon. Taking a look at the fountain kit here, you can see this is where we're going to plug in our LED strip underneath, and we've got our hose to attach for the fountain to attach to the pump. The clear bit of tubing that we've got here is going to be used underneath to connect the pump to the fountain, and what that will do is simply connect on just by pushing that on with a bit of force. Now remember to always be careful when you are putting things together. We don't want to break it. Next, we've got our filter bag, and this is going to protect the pump from large debris getting into the pump and causing it to essentially need maintenance over time. So this just helps as a mechanical filtration level. You can just see here the tubing will then connect onto the top of the pump like so, and we'll get that all set up in a minute. But just to show you the heads that come with it, so you've got your first tier head, we've got our bell head, and we've also got next to that our double tier head. This is where this little hose here, or this plastic piping, will go into, and we'll show you that setup when it does come to the time. Next to that, we've also got our pegs. Now this is to anchor the fountain in the pond, which is why we've got the string here as well, so we can attach that, which you can see, to the little holes we've got on the fountain here, and that will just keep the fountain from blowing around in the wind, keeping it nice and center in the pond. What we'll do here is just show you actually getting this set up now, getting it ready to run, and then we'll show you our first setup and review of this product. So you can see I'm just taking the hose off the bottom here. I find it's a bit easier to attach it to the pump first, getting a nice bit of pressure on, making sure that is securely on there. This just means that the pump won't fall off during operation, and as you can see, it's all the way down to the neck of the pump. Next, we're going to take the fountain head and place that onto the pump. Now, of course, LED side does go up, and we've got the connection for the LED strip underneath there, as you can see. So we'll do is just get this on, and once that is on, we can then connect up the LED connection, as you can see here. And what we'll do is just simply connect those, and there's a little screw seal, what you're going to seal together, as you can see me here doing, just screwing that in. And that is all we need to do to set up our initial fountain. Now, of course, we're going to put the pump and bag around the bottom of the pump to stop that debris before it goes in. Now, one thing to ensure, never turn on your pumps dry, so always ensure they are in water. You can just see here how easy it is to fit the filter heads. This is the one that's got the extender. Just simply click in, click out. These go on very, very easily, so you can change and try them at different ones here. You can see the bell connection here, again, just fits on very, very nicely, very smoothly. And lastly, our main fountain head pump here. What we'll do is just show you the first fountain head pump. So we're going to start with this one here and show you that one first time turned on, and you can just see here now, lovely little fountain coming out of that. I'd say it's around about the kind of 3 to 4 foot height on that. Lovely spread. As you can see, the LEDs lighting up there. We'll show it at nighttime as well for you, but just initially you can see here on that initial fountain head getting a lovely spread of water. Really nice sound as well, as you can hear. Great little bit of kit so far. Interested to see what happens when we do get it out at night. Next, we'll try the bell head here, which you can just see. We'll get that attached on and show you that one working. Now, I do find this one, again, is very good for kind of the windier situations, as the fountain head, as you can see, in the water isn't going as high, but it does create that nice bell effect. Now, this is the double tier. As you can see, the fountain head here with the tube connected into the top. This one just gives us a little bit of a different style of fountain on it. And as you can see here, again, a little bit lower than the first one, but a nice spread still. Really kind of nice water sounds as well. Again, pretty impressive for the power of the pump there. You can just see here as we take a little side pan, really comes onto it quite nicely there. And lastly, to show you, even just the initial kit without the extender tube on does create quite a nice bubbling fountain effect. And what we'll do now is just jump in and show you the nighttime pictures. Stay tuned to the end to see the final review, as well as the fountain with all of the pond lights turned on as well. So as you can see from the nighttime effect, really lights up the pond lovely. Really nice fountain kit. I'd certainly recommend adding a kit like this to any pond. Even on the smaller ponds, as you can see here, still has quite a nice effect. But yeah, if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, be in the comment section below. I'll also add a link to the product in the comment section below as well for you. If you haven't checked out some of our other feature builds as well as product reviews, certainly check out the channel for more. But of course, with that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.